Okay, welcome to the Recaro pole position ABE unwrapping from Marshop in custom colors to match the 1M. Recaro, made in Italy. It's the original velour covers. Yeah, seat cushions, new ones, or maybe the old ones. Old ones, or original ones. And look at that. These are the original cushions with the velour. It's good for backup. We'll leave these over here. And then the original covers. Right. Okay. It's a good thing these seats are so light. Okay, here we go. Ooh. Smell the leather. Wow. That is pretty much perfect. Do you speak German? It's good that I can spreche a little Deutsch. Really good instructions. These, from the vendor, I also purchased the adapters for the manual sliders that are in the car. So I'm using the OEM sliders, and the seats are going to bolt directly to them through this new system that's in this box. Looks like a nice quality piece. Looks like a nice powder coating. tapped holes with nuts included. Sitzkonsole. Fahrerseite. Nice, okay. This goes on the driver's side. Autosport.de. And the seats I got from Marshop in Germany. So, where did those go?